A Bulgarian wedding is more than just a party. It's a profound cultural experience. It's a tapestry woven with threads of history, love, and community spirit, creating a celebration unlike any other. It's like the very pulse of Bulgarian culture, a vibrant expression of the nation's soul. The wedding traditions are deeply rooted in the country's heritage. It brings together not just two people, embarking on their journey of life together, but two families, and often a whole village, uniting them in a shared celebration of love and commitment. It's a testament to the importance of kinship in Bulgarian society. These traditions have been passed down for hundreds of years, carefully preserved and cherished by generations. Every special action, song, and dance, each carefully choreographed and steeped in symbolism, tells a story of love, family, and hope, weaving a narrative that resonates with the hearts of all who witness it. The wedding marks a very special moment, a pivotal point in the lives of the couple and their families. It honors those who came before, the ancestors who laid the foundation for the present, and the wise advice of older people, recognizing their invaluable contributions to the community and their role as guides for the younger generation. It's a public promise, not just to a partner, a declaration of love and commitment before family and friends, but to keep Bulgarian traditions going strong, ensuring that the cultural heritage of the nation is preserved for future generations. The party is a treat for all your senses, a feast of sights, sounds, and aromas that create an unforgettable experience. Bright clothes, folk music filling the air with joyous melodies, and the smell of special foods fill the air, tantalizing the taste buds and creating a sense of shared celebration. Laughter, singing, and lively dances, energetic expressions of joy and unity, show how happy everyone is, radiating warmth and creating a contagious atmosphere of celebration, and how much they support the couple, offering their blessings and well wishes for a lifetime of happiness together. When the community is there, surrounding the couple with love and support, it shows the couple they have lots of people to help them through life, offering a network of support and guidance as they navigate the challenges and joys of marriage. These traditions connect what's happening now with the past and the future, creating a sense of continuity and belonging, making everyone feel like they belong, united by a shared cultural heritage and a common celebration of love. The special actions are full of meaning, each gesture and ritual carrying a symbolic weight, showing important ideas like respecting family, community, and the land, values that are deeply ingrained in Bulgarian culture. As we look at these customs, delving into the rich tapestry of Bulgarian wedding traditions, we get a peek into the heart of Bulgaria, gaining a deeper understanding of the nation's values and beliefs. Here, love and family are celebrated as life's greatest gifts, cherished above all else. The wedding is a living tradition, a dynamic and evolving expression of Bulgarian culture, something that lasts through time, connecting generations and preserving the nation's heritage. It's a time when everyone feels like they are part of something bigger, a shared cultural experience that transcends individual differences. The joy is shared, the connections get stronger, forging bonds that will last a lifetime, and the memories last forever, etched in the hearts and minds of all who participate. This is what a Bulgarian wedding is all about, a celebration of love, family, community, and the enduring power of tradition. The journey towards a Bulgarian wedding begins with the engagement, known as the godej. This is more than just a promise. It's the first step on a path paved with tradition and family unity. It's a formal occasion where families officially come together, solidifying their bond and mutual respect. This initial meeting sets the tone for the wedding preparations and the future relationship between the two families. Following the engagement, the groom's family traditionally pays a visit to the bride's home. This visit is laden with significance, symbolizing the groom's family's commitment and respect for the bride and her family. They arrive bearing gifts, carefully chosen to express their good intentions and to initiate discussions about the upcoming marriage. This is a time for open communication and negotiation, ensuring both families are aligned in their expectations. If both families reach an agreement, it officially marks the start of the joyous wedding preparations. The air fills with excitement as they begin planning the details of the ceremony and celebration. On the wedding day itself, the groom's lively group, a boisterous procession of friends and family, sets off to the bride's house. The air is filled with music and dancing, creating a festive atmosphere that announces the groom's arrival. Traditional instruments like the gaida and tapan add to the vibrant energy. The groom's party makes its way to the bride's house, ready to embark on the next stage of the wedding rituals. But the path isn't always straightforward. The bride's family members playfully block the way, creating a light-hearted challenge for the groom and his entourage. They engage in a fun negotiation, asking for a symbolic payment, known as otkup, before allowing the groom to proceed. This playful tradition adds fun and excitement to the proceedings, showcasing the close-knit nature of the community. Once the groom gains access to the bride's home, the kum and kuma take center stage. These individuals, who are like spiritual guides and mentors to the couple, play a crucial role in the wedding ceremony and the couple's future life together. They help get the couple ready for marriage, offering guidance and support as they prepare to embark on this new chapter. The kum traditionally shaves the groom, a symbolic act signifying his transition into manhood and his readiness to take on the responsibilities of marriage. This ritual signifies that he's becoming a man, ready to embrace his new role as a husband and head of his family. Simultaneously, the kuma puts a veil on the bride, symbolizing her transition into married life. This act shows she's ready to embrace her new identity as a wife and partner. In the church, surrounded by loved ones, the couple stands before God to say their promises, committing to a lifetime of love and devotion. They exchange rings, a timeless symbol of their eternal bond and unwavering commitment to one another. As part of the Orthodox tradition, crowns are placed on their heads, signifying their reign as the heads of their new family. This act of crowning makes them king and queen of their new family, ready to build a life together filled with love, respect, and understanding. Sharing bread and wine from one cup is a deeply symbolic act. It means they will be together through all of life's ups and downs, sharing both the sweet and the bitter moments as one. The entire ceremony is a blessing, not only from the church, but also from the community, who gather to witness and support the couple's union. It's a spiritual blessing, invoking divine grace upon their marriage, and a communal blessing, celebrating the joining of two families. Each step of the ceremony brings the families closer together, weaving a tapestry of shared experiences and lasting memories. It's a beautiful blend of old traditions with a heartfelt celebration of love, creating a truly unforgettable experience for everyone involved. The wedding is like a quilt made of special actions, each carefully stitched together to create a beautiful and meaningful whole. Every ritual, every gesture is imbued with deep meaning, reflecting the rich cultural heritage and the profound commitment the couple is making. Every special action in a Bulgarian wedding is full of meaning. When they break the special bread, called pitka, it decides who will be in charge of the home and shows sharing and plenty. A red thread, tied around the couple's wrists, keeps bad things away and ties their futures together. The horo, a traditional circle dance, brings everyone together in a chain of support, meaning forever and community. People believe the rhythmic dance scares away evil and blesses the couple's new life. They taste honey and salt. Honey for sweetness, salt for life's tough times, to remind the couple to face everything together. Even the food and music carry wishes for good fortune and happiness. These symbols turn simple actions into powerful blessings. Every gesture is a wish for love, strength, and being together. The wedding is a living story told through special actions and traditions. Months before the wedding, families work together, planning every little thing. The bride and groom get to know their future in-laws better, learning their customs and building trust. Homes are busy with cooking, sewing, and getting ready for guests. The time before the wedding is about making new family connections and a strong community spirit. On the wedding day, homes become open houses, welcoming everyone with food and kindness. Parents host hundreds of people, making sure everyone feels included. After the ceremony, days of eating and dancing make the lines between families disappear. The long celebration makes new relationships strong and creates memories that last. The shared joy and effort build a strong base for the couple's future. The wedding celebration is all about being together, being generous, and having a good time. Music is the heart of a Bulgarian wedding, setting the beat for every moment. Traditional instruments, like the kaval, gaida, and taipan, fill the air with energy and feelings. The wedding table, or trapeza, is piled high with dishes like roasted meats, banitsa, and special bread. Sharing food is a way of coming together, wishing the couple lots of good things. The whole community joins in, not just watching, but actively helping, dancing, and celebrating. This shared spirit creates a strong feeling of belonging. The community's support is a promise to stand by the couple through all of life's different times. Music, food, and being together make the wedding unforgettable. The feast is more than just a meal. It's a special action of being united and hoping for good things. This is how Bulgarian weddings start a couple on their new life, surrounded by love. The horo, Bulgaria's famous circle dance, is more than just a tradition. It's a vibrant expression of Bulgarian identity. It's a cultural cornerstone, deeply embedded in the hearts of the people. It is the most important part of every wedding, a symbol of unity and the beginning of a new chapter. It signifies the intertwining of two lives, blessed by the community. When the music starts, the air fills with anticipation and excitement. Guests eagerly join hands, forming a living chain, a circle of support and love surrounding the newlyweds. The dance is traditionally led by the bride and groom, guiding their loved ones into the rhythm of celebration. The unbroken circle means forever, symbolizing the eternal bond of marriage and the enduring strength of community. It represents the community being together, sharing in the joy and offering unwavering support to the new couple. Dancers move as one, their steps synchronized, creating a mesmerizing display of unity. This coordinated movement shows teamwork and shared happiness, reflecting the collective spirit of the celebration. The horo is a silent promise, a heartfelt commitment from the community. "We are with you," it declares, offering unwavering support and love to the newlyweds as they embark on their journey together. Stomping feet connect dancers to the earth, grounding them in tradition and heritage. People believe this brings blessings and gets rid of bad feelings, purifying the atmosphere and inviting positive energy. The dance is both a celebration and a special action, a ritual passed down through generations. It is making sure the couple has happiness and good fortune, setting the stage for a prosperous and joyful future together. Leading the horo is an honor, a privilege bestowed upon respected members of the community. This honor is often passed among family members, showing shared responsibility and the continuity of tradition. The dance goes on for hours, a testament to the enduring spirit of celebration and community. It keeps spirits high and connections strong, fostering a sense of belonging and shared joy. The horo is the best way to show what it means to be Bulgarian and to be together, a powerful symbol of cultural identity and unity. It's a beautiful sight, a vibrant tapestry of movement, music, and shared emotion. It is starting the couple's married life with joy and unity, surrounded by the love and support of their community. Even today, Bulgarian wedding traditions continue, mixing old ways with new ones. Couples love special actions like breaking bread, tying red thread, and dancing the horo, not because they have to, but because they are meaningful connections to their past. These customs give them a sense of who they are, comfort, and a feeling of belonging. The wedding reminds everyone that no one is alone. The community's love surrounds the couple. Traditions teach that marriage is built with the help of family and friends. Including these special actions honors those who came before and makes family connections stronger. Grandparents feel proud seeing their traditions continue. These customs create a link through generations, connecting the past, present, and future. Bulgarian weddings are more than just old stories. They are the living heart of the culture. They celebrate love, family, and the lasting power of community.